Well, good morning, all. Thought I'd take a moment and go over a few more of the super coupon deals that are good until 5/25. Some of these seem to be repeats, but Harbor Freight's telling me they're the 11th through the 25th. So if they're repeats, I apologize, but they're still good deals. First off, let's look at this Pittsburgh long handle combination wrench set. It's 11 pieces. It's 20% off, normally $24.99 down to $19.99. Then you got that Pittsburgh 12-inch steel adjustable wrench, 40% off. Great deal on this at $5.99. Here's an Icon brand professional scraper, $9.99 down from $13.99. That's 28% off. Here's some nice Bremen 11-inch swivel pad C-clamp locking pliers for $9.99 down from $14.99. Dead blow hammer, very handy tool. If you don't have one, I suggest you at least have one around the shop. You will need it. Normally $9.99 down to $5.99, 40% off. A nice Doyle 16-ounce steel nailing hammer, 25% off to $14.99. Here's another Icon deal. It's 11-inch long reach pistol grip needle nose pliers. $17.99, 18% off, down from $21.99. And the Icon 48-ounce soft face dead blow hammer, $27.99. Once again, this is an Icon, so it's a little more expensive, but it's also a little better quality. Then there's this Doyle High Performance. Well, I guess they listed that one twice. Nevertheless, 12-inch high performance adjustable wrench from Doyle, $9.99, down from $14.99. A few lighting and specialty items. We got that 50-foot 12-gauge multiple outlet extension cord, and it does light up, so it lets you know that the power is on. So it's down from $49.99 to $44.99. You got some Doyle 10-inch professional rivet nut setter kit, $44.99 down from $49.99. Believe we've seen that light, but it's still a good deal. Normally $124.99 down to $99.99, and it does have detachable heads there so that you can put them down close to your work surface. Here's your 17 to 42-inch swivel tilt TV mount. Harbor Freight continues to lead in this category. This is only $7.99, down 46%. If you need to hang a TV, check Harbor Freight first. You'll probably get a better deal than you will at some of the other big box stores. Here's that Braun 200 lumen pen light. This is battery. It is not rechargeable, but it's only $49.99. It's down 37%. This next one is a 500 lumen rechargeable portable folding LED light. It's down 18%. Very nice light at $17.99. Here's a wireless security system, $14.99. It's from Bunker Hill Security, 25% off. Cable ties, these are the heavy duty ones, $4.99, 37% off. They're 15-inch. If you need some heat shrink tubing, need to update your box, here's pick you up a box at 28% off at $49.99. That's 42 pieces. And then you got that 19-watt 2-foot linkable 2-light full spectrum plant grow lights, $17.99 a piece, 21% off. I do like to keep my stuff more bite-sized, so hopefully you'll get something out of these, and I'll try to put together another one with some of the other categories, as that, there's many more sales here. So until the next video, y'all take care.